I say forecast me.
And I can't go wear blue and blue.
Yes, and I don't see some Asaba actress when they know me, when the ones when I don't fuck before. Like Uku Venza, Crystal Official, I see all of them there. I bone them, I never look them twice.
I like waiting you do. Before you know, if people go carry, and you don't know say blue she wear. She? You can't go wear.
I don't know. I can't go wear blue and blue.
Kai, they for really post you, cause say Prince went to his other girlfriend's shop opening. Before you know, I don't know why bloggers, I don't know where they gather news from, I swear. Before you know, they don't carry person matter. They post everywhere. And Tonto DK go come see and now come they say her. Now wow. And I know all those things, good for you. I like waiting you do. Just come because.
So finally, Prince Kpokpogri is the pro-max version of Chochi. This man finally fall for the trap when they set for him for social media. According to Prince Kpokpogri, he took to him verified Instagram today when he say he won't come clear the air concerning the audio when he say una dey hear. He write say for those waiting for clarification, is Instagram my father's company that I'm coming to defend his business? Abeg make I go London go enjoy live premium link jare. Fake news and audio. Una know say some days ago this matter of Prince Kpokpogri, I mean our Nollywood actress King Tonto DK husband, when they circulate for social media, make una just relax because many audio dey. According to that first one una listing, shake una hear when he talk say he don't sleep with that Jane Emma, that our popular Instagram twerker, when he married about 2 years ago. And so many of our Nollywood actress when go come they form motivational speaker, they tell them say may they also may they buckle up, hard work pays, not knowing say that they follow Prince Kpokpogri. Example na Uku Venza and that Chioma when be say she newly opened a shop some months ago. I go release the audio for now because now know say this my channel they bring and come the way I they see am. And today many people go attack Prince Kpokpogri for comment section before he finally go close the comment section because the insult too much. They tell am so say meaning na true say that audio na your voice, you couldn't come out to clarify it. That is why you said you are going to London for premier link this man let everybody know say so waiting Tonto DK just they pass through for inside body maybe na hair fire neither get they he go dey regret now say he leave Chochi not knowing say this man are the pro-mass version of Chochi. According to the comment section, they insult Prince Kpokpogri well not being go close the comment section. They tell am say now you on your own talk say on Sunday you go come clarify the air you go come tell people, come show the difference between your voice for that audio and new one. Nobody asked you make you fair put that post, which the post even dey in verified Instagram page up till now. And today you dey come dey ask say whether Instagram na your father business when you wan come clear the air for people. Why you dey talk up and down? Now your mouth fair talk say you go come clear. People re-insult am well say man they dey disappointed say because they believe say that voice now una go hear many tori dey inside the voice. My people, how Prince Kpokpogri take name all the babes when be say in just the knack for Nollywood actress, then many and measure their name. But I still dey imagine why this man go free like this. They answer those questions before one person can reply for the comment section where the blogger release this audio talk say that person na Prince Kpokpogri paddy when be say then they give Prince Kpokpogri the levels like the girl anytime when be say Prince wants. And if now the video audio wanna go listing and where Prince even dey tell the girl say him like one small girl again, make the girl arrange am for am. So that is why e dey free, dey flow well well for that voice. And rumour dey come now say Tonto Dike don dey cry like she dey regret say she left the devil she knew and went for the angel she don't even know about. Like people dey console her, people dey tell am for comment section say they know say na Prince Kpokpogri voice, make she no just try cover up. It's better now say e just scatter now than e enter inside come born pikin finish. At the end e go come be another single mother of 2 children. Like make she just know the kind of man when Prince Kpokpogri be, because if to say that man really can't clear the air today, can't differentiate the voice, people for no attack am today. Like immediately they drop that post now, so negative comment full am, and that is why it really quick go off the comment section. So make una drop una comment how una see this man. Like, do you guys think something is fishy? Like na im voice dey for that audio? Because if not be una know say in every rumor there must be element of truth. Things dey happen, my people. We just pray make Tonto Dike fit handle this thing, and if not be in voice, so also make God intervene. Like make God just settle them, make peace in her home. Like because it go dey very disappointing and very shameful to come see say a new marriage again don hit the rock. So my people, make I leave una, make una lis ten to the audio, make una see how this man take dey talk bad about Tonto Dike and how e take mention the people wey be say in dey sleep with, even that our Instagram twerker Jane wey be say even dey husband house. According to the blogger, I say this man don dey knack am even before he go pay Tonto Dike bride price. Anyway, my people, no be my mouth na wan hear everything. Make I release the audio for una, make una lis ten. To all my returnees, you guys know say I love you all and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If this is your first time seeing my video, this is Violet Bass TV. Stay tuned, like put up the post notification bell, hit on the subscribe button so that anytime I dey bring latest update like this, you will not be left out. God bless you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video and make sure you air your opinion. Leave your comments at the comment section. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
I say forecast me.
And I can't go wear blue and blue.
Yes, and I don't see some Asaba actress when they know me, when the ones when I don't fuck before, like Ukuvenza, Sister Official. I see all of that there. I bone them. I never look them twice.
I like wetin you do. Before you know, if people go carry, and you don't know say na blue she wear. She, you can't go wear.
I don't know. I can't go wear blue and blue.
Kai, they for really post you, cause say Prince went to his other girlfriend's shop opening. Before you know, I don't know why bloggers, I don't know where they gather news from, I swear. Before you know, they don't carry person matter. They post everywhere. And Tonto Dike go come see her now, come they say her. Now wow. And I know all those things, good for you. I like wetin you do. Just come because
I go enter Abuja back tomorrow.
You just run everybody one after the other. Cause you know one day with Choma again. I don't understand you. They with Spanky now.
Spanky, it's not the date for the date now. See, we are not dating now. See, we are just fucking.
Oh wow. Now for like make una 2 days. The girl, I don't know, she very nice to me. Now I make that time when we get that problem. And that problem is because of you. But thank God say me and her we don't later sort out our issues. Because if they say me and this girl no settle, if they say me and Spanky no settle, I for no just forgive myself because I like the girl. And I like her energy. The girl na person be say she ready to carry person along. You understand? Come because when I asked her, what can she tell me? I didn't ask her. When I came in, she told me that Prince just left, so he came. Did I see you? I said no, I didn't see you. So as you can't just show your face, because if you sit down there, people they record you and you no go know. I swear, as that kind of PD there, you know.
I forecast see. I'm a wise guy, you. I don't see the environment in me. I go cast here, Nana. make I use my brain. And I use my brain immediately.
Take move.
Move straight.
How far you and Gracie now?
Who be JC?
I said Gracie, Grace, that
I
girl.
never see that girl. Oh.
But una two run things last time. Now why I connect una together? Politician, your things, your profile supposed dey hidden. The thing now come make you now there everywhere. If I enter Facebook, Prince. Enter Instagram, Prince. Bloggers they post you steady. Even for gist lovers blogger, if you see wetin they write for there about you, I shock. You there everywhere now. But it's good, at least you go follow make you dey popular. But I don't want that kind of thing for you because of your politician this thing. You know good make you there everywhere that.
Come. I need to fuck that small girl. Oh. That small girl goes sweet well. Oh. The way when I watch her yesterday.
Teddy. If you want.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video and you will stay tuned to Violet Bass TV. Thank you so much. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And I will see you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.